So to create a PDF, yes, you can scan it. I know many that when they want to convert a PDF, they'll print it out of their computer and then they have their staff scan it. You don't need to go down that road. You can just make a PDF directly from your document. So I have a sample submission here. It's a Word document. All right. Let me check. So this is your Word document. You've labored for hours to do this submission. All right, and you're done. You want to submit it. Okay. So my advice is to do this. If you've installed Foxit, like we did through 99, you just right-click this and you convert it to in Foxit Reader. So what it does is it automatically converts it into a PDF file. So now it's a PDF file. So is that the end? No. First, you probably want to sign it. So there's no signature. So with this particular application, you can sign it electronically. Create a signature, draw a signature. All right, I'm Dale. This is legal. All right. Okay. Save. There you go. That's my signature. That's the first step. That's not the coolest thing. The next thing is you want to always use bookmarks. And what are bookmarks? Bookmarks are like an actual bookmark, are certain segments which you can mark so that you can jump right into it. Especially if you're sharing the screen with a court, you cannot be, scrolling through hundreds of pages of your records of appeal or submission trying to find the exact page. So for example, I'm going to go to this particular page and then I want a bookmark to be placed here because I'd want to refer to the decision of the Court of Appeal in Pembinaan Batu Jaya. So I'll right click and put add bookmark. Pembinaan Batu Jaya. So whenever I want to go there, I just click this. So this is very useful because what I would do is, because I've been using my laptop to submit. So what I do is I'll set bookmarks for the introduction. I'll place it up here. Okay. So, and then let's say the court interrupts you and said, no, we know what the case is about. Can you go to your first argument? So if you had put a bookmark at your first argument here, submission 1, you could have jumped straight there. Because the court is looking at this particular document. So the court says, all right, proceed to the first submission, you're there. Instead of scrolling and then missing it and going back up again. So it gives you a form of structure. From this itself, it gives you a smooth flow of control over where you are at your document. So the next thing is something that you probably want to insert maybe before or during the hearing itself is to use annotations. Okay, so you somewhere in Pembinaan Batu Jaya, this is very important. You want to make it as bright as possible. Okay, so go to comment, go to highlight up here. Set your color. I'll use pink, my favorite color. Boom. And sometimes you want to take what do you call it? You want to give direction or give attention to a specific line. You can also underline it. Sometimes you're dealing with a record of appeal. There's a picture. You want to show where the injury is or where the accident took place. I'm looking for a picture inside mine. Okay, fine. You can draw the arrow. Yes. So if it's that important, then you can even draw on it. You can make boxes. You can make little clouds. That does not look like a cloud. Okay. So that's as far as annotations are concerned. You can do this while you're presenting or prior to filing. It's up to you. And you can do it on any document, even the record of appeal, any image. So once you're done with that, you just press file and then just save. And then save it as submission sample 1. Apply all the signatures that you've done and all the comments, and that's it. This is how it appears in front of the judges when they download it, and this is how it appears on your end as well. So that's when it comes to annotations.